Hello, my name is Sean and today I'll be doing the taste challenge.
What do you think about these?
Very colourful. So the first one that I'm going to be trying is pineapple. Which one is this one?
Tropical light.
Tropical light, orange and...
Oh, don't worry about all that rubbish.
Oh,
Just say tropical light, yeah.
Tropical light. That one. It's not my favourite, I don't like that one.
Rubbish, is it? What's it? What, out of a score of 10, what would you give it?
I bet 6. This one is tropical defense. I give that 4.
What was it like?
It was like toothpaste.
Toothpaste,
Yeah.
right. Well, let's put that one up in the bathroom for later then.
The next one is... Oh, I'm not...
Recharge. Recharge. That's the same stuff they put in car batteries.
I'll give that a 9.
You like that
That's
one?
good.
You like that one?
Strawberry, cherries, apples. I think this one's going to taste really good.
Yeah.
That's definitely a 10.
Oh,
I like
wow.
That one.
Okay.
10. That one was really good.
Was it?
Yeah, that's really good. This one is banana. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, I don't like that.
No? Do you like some more of that? No?
No, that's the one. It tastes like stale bread.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I've drunk stale bread before. It's not very nice.
This one is kiwi, cucumber, apple.
That looks like seaweed juice. Or bogies.
I think that's an 8. I like that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, we've got a slot for an 8 here, so that's good.
There's some more.
You can take that one home with you if you like. Go on, have a bit more then.
Okay, so this one is strawberries, watermelons, and other fruits with vitamins.
I think that one might taste quite nice.
I really like that one.
You like that one?
Yeah, that's really good.
What do you think you'll give that one? I should do a bit more.
I think 8. The same.
Another 8, okay, well we'll put that next to the other one that's got 8.
Well, we're shaking before I eat. Okay, strawberry, raspberry, apple, and coconut milk.
It's a stodgy one, isn't it?
That one's a bit dodgy, yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
What's it taste like? Obviously not very nice.
It tastes like really like, you know, gone off strawberries.
Oh yes, definitely. Yeah.
Sugar on it.
Yeah, and when they yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate gone off strawberries with sugar. Oh, just be careful.
That one makes me have the shivers.
I'll touch that with gloves.
Oh, I don't like that one. I think the last one so far is banana bread.
Banana.
Yeah. Oh, it's horrible. Blue spark.
Quite. Okay.
Yeah.
What's in that one? Liquidized children. No.
That one's a really good one.
Oh, okay. I thought that would have probably been the not very nice one, judging by the
That's
colour.
like a 10.
Is that a 10?
Yeah.
Wow.
I really like that one.
Okay, well, 10 10s then. So, what did you think about your taste challenge then?
Okay, I think it was really good. Excellent from the ones that I didn't like.
Yes.
But most of them I did like.
You did, didn't you, actually? Yeah. The only one you didn't like, really, was these 3 here.
I think...
That was horrible, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that one.
Do you think anyone's going to ever drink that?
No.
No. So, what would be the best place for this one to go?
Definitely down the toilet.
Well, I think it's the best place for it.
God save our gracious Queen, la 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 la.
That's the funniest thing that I've to do with you.
Yeah, well, it's still there, isn't it? Press the seaside button to send it out to the sea.
Bye!
And all the fishes can enjoy that now, can't they? Are you happy?
Yeah. Hi John, thank you for letting me take these home. I had fun doing that video. Thank you, you are my best friend.